Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix shortcut not working in iOS 17, iPhone or iPad. So to fix this on iPhone, so I will request to my all friends. First of all, you have subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So let's get the start the video. So do not waste any time. So how to fix this issue? First of all, you have fixed this problem. You can restart your iPhone. Volume up button, volume down button, and press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then your problem will be fixed. 5 to 10 seconds wait, restart your iPhone. And then other solution, you have delete the shortcuts app. Then you have removed your iPhone and install again from App Store. And then other solution, you have delete the shortcuts. So how to delete? You have open the shortcuts, and then you have any shortcuts then you have not working on your iPhone, so delete and install again from website, and then your problem will be fixed. My iPhone and all shortcuts is 100% working, so I have no delete from my iPhone. So you have not working shortcuts, then you have delete and then re again install on your iPhone. Then other solution, you have force the close shortcuts app and reopen. So you have used the shortcuts app, then you have not working, then you have close, and then you have remove, and then again open and working, and then you have reinstall shortcuts. Then you have open the setting, and then you have click on general, and then you scroll up, then you have click on iPhone storage, then you have scroll up, then you have find the shortcuts, and then you have open, then you have click on offload, and then few seconds wait, and then written on reinstall, and then you have reinstall on your iPhone. And then other solution and last solution, reset all setting, and then you have click on setting, and then click on general, and then scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset all setting, and then iPhone given a passcode, and then do not lose any data on your iPhone, so only reset all setting, and then your problem will be fixed 100% working. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.